I would like to ask Huzur about the Hajj. My question has two parts. One part is many people from Bosnia now go for Hajj because Arab government paid them for a Hajj. Well, I put question, why didn't they give that money for something that is more important, I think, now in Bosnia? They said that was a condition, that they have to use that money just for Hajj. So many people went for Hajj this year. Another part of my question is...
The first part, please, first. Translate this. See, this policy of Saudi Arabia is in direct contradiction with the injunctions of the Holy Quran. But they do not care. They do it only for propaganda purposes. They know, or they should know at least, that Hajj is only faraz, only necessary for those who have their own money to pay for the passage. It is not compulsory for anyone who does not own his own money. So begging for money, begging of money from somebody else is so wrong that whatever Hajj is performed out of that begged money will not be counted as Hajj by Allah. Because the person defies that precondition of Hajj, which makes it compulsory only for such people who have their own money. So Saudi Arab ulama should know this fact, and I'm sure they know it, but they do not care, because they're inviting Bosnians so that they can use them politically to propagate for Saudi Arabia and their cause when they return back home. But they do not care for the poverty-stricken people of Bosnia. This money, you have just rightly suggested, should have been diverted to the poor people of Bosnia who are suffering to make two ends meet. Two ends of the day meet. You know, they have hardly much to eat, and yet they are paid this money to go to Hajj. Amazingly stupid, isn't it?
Yeah. And thousands of them went.
Huh?
Thousands of them went.
Yes. You have seen it with your own eyes. Yeah. Thousands of them went to Hajj.
Yeah.
And millions are dying of hunger.
Yeah, I met people who doesn't have even penny per month.
And
income.
Did they know what Hajj was? I doubt if they knew.
Some of them didn't even.
Yes. Did they know the meaning of prayers?
I met few people who just, I don't think that they knew. They are clear
That's what
about
I mean. They do not educate them in the fundamentals of Islam. What sort of Hajj would they perform there? Who cannot even know how to say prayers. So this is all a big fraud on a universal level, which is being committed by Saudi Arabia, not only in Bosnia, but many other African countries as well. They do not care whether they have received initial teachings of Islam or not, whether they are capable of performing Hajj by the help of what they know Islam to be, or by meeting other conditions. Yet they invite them to build their base of propaganda in their respective countries. This is cursed. The whole exercise is cursed in the sight of Allah.
May I say another part of the question, or you will
After
translate
translation,
this?
after.
Thank you.